Yeah, hello everyone. Day 129 here, Industrial Fabrication Company. Working away, really trucking away. Great place to be. And base is almost done. We have plates that we'll weld in here that have a tube that goes in. But after that, we'll be done. So we'll be ready to deliver or have picked up on Tuesday. So exceeding the customer's expectations there, and then we'll get rocking and rolling right again on the next one. So really happy with how the team did that and just kept learning. One of the things that Overman brought up is we're now using a powered air purifying respirator, that's it, for their welding hood. So they're able to always be breathing fresh air that's getting filtered before it goes in. And that has had two advantages that I wasn't even planning on. The main advantage for it is it just keeps you safe when you're in an environment where there's things that you don't want to be breathing in. But what it was also doing is it was keeping the welding mask free of fog, because you always have fresh air flowing over it. So that was able to keep them working longer and more comfortable while doing that. And because it's positive pressure, it's actually blowing air out. So the smoke that they were generating while welding was getting blown away, so then it was more clear and easier to see. So they think they made up 8 hours of time just by having that welding hood on one of these. We got more to go. So that's awesome to see. We're getting the repair done based on the customers change they needed to make there. And then we have all of these lifting tubes. So these are the plates. So this will kind of go into the holes over there. We got all those done, ready to go. So they were rocking and rolling through that, and then we'll work on a house project starting on Monday. Made some more Notion improvements today, just based off feedback on things we can do better, and things that based off of that then we're breaking and needing to continuously improve on that. And we as a team that was kind of here pre-Christmas, so not Aaron and Ethan, because we're going to go through 2-second lean again with them. We're going through just right through the last few chapters of the book, but one of the things that was focused on that we went through is what do we find fun about work, and then what do we find that's not fun. And so how can we emphasize those things that we find fun and make those more common for what we get to do, and the things that are not fun, how can we improve those and turn them into fun? What can we do to get rid of those things, or change how we do it? So I had a good list of things there that excited about, and lots of great ideas that came out of that and good discussions. So really excited. But yeah, it was another great week, and ready for another great one next week. Sign off for now.